Welcome back to Science with Facts by Fano. This is the channel where we make science simple, interesting, and fun for everyone. I'm Fano, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. So let's dive right into today's question. Have you ever wondered what's the real difference between the thermometer a doctor uses and the one you might see in a science class? That's right, we're talking about the difference between a clinical thermometer and a laboratory thermometer. They both measure temperature, but they are definitely not the same. First up, let's talk about the clinical thermometer. This is the one you're probably most familiar with. Its main job is to measure human body temperature. Because our body temperature doesn't vary that much, a clinical thermometer has a pretty narrow range, usually from about 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius or 95 to 108 degrees Fahrenheit. The most important feature of a clinical thermometer, especially the older mercury ones, is a tiny bend or kink in the glass tube near the bulb. This constriction is super clever. It stops the mercury from falling back down too quickly after you take it out of your mouth or from under your arm. This gives you plenty of time to get an accurate reading. You'll find these thermometers in hospitals, clinics, and of course, in many homes. Now let's switch gears and look at the laboratory thermometer. As the name suggests, this one is a scientist's best friend. It's designed to measure the temperature of all sorts of things in experiments, like liquids, chemicals, or even the air in a lab. To do this, it needs a much wider temperature range. A typical lab thermometer can go all the way from -10 degrees Celsius up to 110 degrees Celsius. That's from below freezing to above the boiling point of water. A key difference here is that a laboratory thermometer does not have that kink or constriction. The liquid inside, whether it's mercury or colored alcohol, moves up and down freely and instantly with the temperature change. This means you have to read the temperature while the thermometer's bulb is still in the substance you're measuring. If you take it out, the reading will change immediately. You'll see these everywhere in school science labs and professional research facilities. So let's quickly recap the main differences. A clinical thermometer is for body temperature, has a narrow range, and has a kink to hold the reading. A laboratory thermometer is for experiments, has a very wide range, and has no kink, so you have to read it on the spot. Even though they look similar, they are built for completely different jobs. Using the right tool is always key to getting accurate results, especially in science. I'm curious, which type of thermometer have you used before? Was it a clinical one at home or a laboratory one in school? Let me know down in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Science with Facts by Fano for more amazing science facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.